Hello everyone, it's Teacher Lula here. If you do not know yet who I am a teacher, I'm a teacher trainer, I'm a recruiter, and I work for a couple different companies. I'm really excited to share this video with you today. Today we will be talking about your intro video. Your intro video is really important, especially when you start looking at different schools that you want to start applying to. This helps you to stand out. Often it makes the first impression for the company as well. So the better your intro video, the better it will be for you, the more chances you have of getting hired. All right, let's start looking at some points that you should consider. First impressions. Make sure that you have really good lighting. Make sure that you don't have any shadows on your face. Maybe the lighting isn't super dark, something like that. Also, take a look at your camera angle. Make sure that you're not recording from below your face into your nostrils or too high up. Look at your background. If you are wanting to teach children, please make sure that you have a nice, colorful background. If you want to teach adults, a plain white background is totally fine. Also, they will be looking to see if you have any props of any sort. So maybe when you introduce yourself, you could have a little toy of some sort and your name tag. Let me give you an example. Hello, my name is Lula. Please make sure that you have, if you are wearing a headset, that you have a mic with your headset and that your sound quality is awesome. It will help you a lot, but it will also help your potential company. They will be able to listen to your accent and see whether or not it is applicable and what they are looking for their company. Some really important things that they are going to be looking for in your actual intro video is your energy, that you speak slowly and clearly, that you can use simple and clear language, and they will also be looking at your personality. If you can do something incredible, for example, you can juggle, or you can play guitar, or you can sing very well, please showcase this in your intro video. They would love to see somebody that has something special to offer their child. So the more unique you make it, the more you put your personality and your energy into your intro video, the better it will be for you. What your intro video should include. Obviously, your name. Have a name tag of some sort when you introduce yourself. The more visual stimulants that you can use, the better it is for you as well. It makes it a little bit more interesting, a little bit more exciting, and it shows that you're really prepared, you really want this badly. Okay, so visual cues, your name. Make sure to say something quick and easy about yourself. Please don't go into 2 minutes about your degree and what you studied during that degree and how that degree has helped you. It's not relevant to your intro video. Your intro video is something really fast, really quick about you. So if you want to, you can quickly state, okay, maybe I have my TEFL certificate. I love teaching children. I'm passionate about changing lives. Something like that. If you want to, but make sure it's really quick, really fun, and easy. Also, with the different props you're going to be using, if you want to put on bunny ears or wear a hat or dress up, please make sure that it's going to be something that you're actually going to use in your classroom. You don't want to give false hope to your potential students, so don't dress up like, I don't know, a crocodile if that's not something that you usually do. So please make sure that the realia and the things that you use are actually going to be featured in your classroom environment. That being said, I would maybe recommend doing something really short, a little short TPR demo of some sort to showcase that you have the ability to use TPR, whether that be a recording of yourself actually teaching, which is amazing. But if you don't have that yet, if you're a pretty new teacher, then you can simply do TPR like this to the camera and maybe showcase something or ask the camera if they can say the potential student if they can say duck or horse or hat, whatever you may have that you want to show your TPR skills with. So remember to be unique, show who you are, use your energy. This is their first impression of you. Make sure the video is a minute to a minute and a half, but really, really impress them in the first 20 seconds. That's where they're going to be either skipping the video or watching the video through. So make sure that's your most energetic, exciting part of your video. And please be unique, be real. At the end, use a call to action. Say something simple like, oh, we hope to see you soon. Bye. I don't know, something silly like that. Just to let them know that you want to see them again. You want them to book with you, but obviously don't be too rude about it. Don't be like, I hope you book me soon. Or something like that. Okay, thank you so much. I hope this helped you a little bit. Remember to subscribe and like below. Thank you so much for watching. Leave comments, give me some suggestions. I want to hear what you have to say. Thanks so much. Bye.